COMM stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday is Commscope Holding stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1 minute video. And as the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, seeing what's working for me and what's not. Needless to say, this thing absolutely opened the next day 86% up. That's absolutely beautiful. And with a situation like this, I am just willing to squeeze the most juice that I can out of this. And even if with this limited amount of data and candles that I got here, if it pulls down on the 5-minute chart and gives me the confirmation, bro, I'm just really willing to just pull the trigger on this like crazy. Not gonna wait or hover around or play around, right? But again, biggest factor here is if the confirmation is actually met. And with COMM, I also got about not much receipts in the Discord, which is fair. It's quick, I believe, but for at least 4 hours, it's very doable. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.